Finally, the 2022 Baleno has been officially teased ahead of launch later this month. Bookings for the Baleno is now officially open and the booking amount is set at 11,000 rupees. The company also shared a teaser revealing head-up display feature. As the bookings are officially open, the new Baleno is expected to receive massive number of bookings even before the launch. Recently, the new and heavily updated Maruti Baleno's production started at the Gujarat plant, which is fully owned by parent company Suzuki. As we have seen a lot about its design and features, let's have a quick look around what the car will offer. As confirmed from the leaked images earlier, almost all body panels of the 2022 Baleno seems to have been redesigned. The car looks wider than the existing model. The newly designed grille now looks much larger. The new Baleno carries almost a similar look as the outgoing model when viewed from the side. However, the front and rear fenders have been redesigned to accommodate new headlamps and L-shaped LED tail lamps. On the inside, the cabin will feature a completely reworked dashboard layout. The biggest highlight will be the large freestanding touchscreen infotainment display with lots of connectivity options including wireless auto and Apple CarPlay. Maruti might also offer Suzuki Connect as standard feature in top spec variants. The interior will also benefit from new upholstery theme, giving a more premium look. Safety will also be a major upgrade with thicker grade of steel and offering up to 6 airbags in the top variants. As Maruti already teased the head-up display feature, more new features of the Baleno will be teased ahead of launch in the coming weeks. Will be powered by the same 1.2-liter VVT petrol engine making 82 horsepower and 130 Nm of peak torque, and a 1.2-liter dual-jet VVT engine offering 89 horsepower and 130 Nm of peak torque. A CNG variant is also expected to join the list later this year. Gearbox options include a 5-speed manual and an AMD option in place of CVT seen in the existing one. This will help holding the pricing of the top variants close to its rivals. Thanks for watching.